Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Ramsi Reddy. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about another module that is most important. As a beginner, you need to know about this Python variables. In each and every programming language, they contain the variables. Okay. So before going to the video, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And upcoming, we are going to deal with n number of videos like dealing with the data science, ML, and deep learning and Python, and I'm giving some of the interview questions also. Maybe next month, like 2024, I'm going to start the podcast about all the things. So you need to make sure like, share, and subscribe is the most important, and click the bell icon to get what update about the things. Okay, and share with the friends, and the podcast is very important. So I'm going to get a best and the best podcasters for the overall experience and professionals and also freshers, how to prepare the resumes, how to deal with the companies, how to apply the companies, each and every topic. If you are like boost your career into IT and non-IT, everything we will give in the podcast. So in 2024 I'm going to start that. So stay tuned to update for the postcard and like so, and now you need to subscribe the video. So let's move into the topic. Okay, now we are going to discuss about like Python variables. Okay, this is a simple topic, and within a couple of minutes it will be completed. Okay, so on next video I will make it like it will be a practical implementation, and it will be some big video like around the 10 minutes of video. Okay, let's move with that. So what is today agenda? We are going to discuss about what are variables, creating the variables, rules for creating the variables, single variable name and multiple variable name, changing the values of variables and deleting variables. These are the things comes under to the practical sections. Okay, let's move. So what is a variable? Variables are used to, like, it is a commonly contained to for storing a data values. For example, here the example n is equals to 300, where n is a variable, it is using to store 300 in it. So this is the variable. Variables are containers, so are for storing the variable. For example, coming to the live example, like we have a containers, big containers, so we need to transport our product from India to US. Between that we need to store that one container. So container is a variable, the product is storing there. Like that only, n is a variable here, 300 is stored into that. So we can assign any type of any type like int, string, any type of data type using only equals to. It is the assigning operator. Using assigning operator we can store any type of data types. Okay, next upcoming videos we are going to discuss about data types, everything. Okay, and I recently tell you that basics video, the identifiers and also variable names are quite similar, right? Rules and everything is quite similar. For that, okay, let's here the let me discuss about the rules of Python variables. Okay, Python variables must start with the letters or underscore characters. Okay, Python variables can't start with number. See, in identifier also we discussed the same points. Python, like a variable name, can only contain alphanumeric character and underscore. Same as is what we have discussed in identifier. Same difference we have discussed in here. And Python variables are case sensitive. So for example here, age, capital A age and capital H. So there is a quite differences, right? So this is a quite case sensitive. The variable name can't be a Python keyword. So the variable name can't be a Python keyword. Okay, these are the rules. And let me discuss about single variable and multiple variable. Single variable here, a is stored in the string of Python. A value was fine. Whereas a equals to 5 is a single variable. A is equals to, like, c equals to 20 is a single variable. And whereas z equals to, in a double quotation, subscribe to the eternal text, it is a single variable. Like that we have a multiple variables here. A equals to b equals to c equals to 895. That means a value 895, b value 895, c value 895. So for the integer storing things we use like this. So multiple store. So for multiple values, like example, for the coming to the live example, uh, for example, like Apple is sharing this product, like Apple phones and iPods and iPads. These are the three products they need to share with the Indians, like some India or any other. Like for example, iPhone 15 Pro. Like now the iPhone 15 need to share for the other countries. Okay, for here the countries as let me like Sri Lanka, Pakistan, China. These are the three countries. So Apple need to share their product the for the three countries. Okay, country A like Sri Lanka, you need to store the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Same as Pakistan, Apple need to share the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Same as China, Apple shared iPhone 15 Pro Max. So like this, there is a multiple variables. So here the variables name is Sri Lanka, Pakistan, China. There are the multiple variables. They are assigning only the iPhone 15 Pro for the three countries. This is the differences: multiple variables and single variables. So I hope you are all understand this video. And next coming video, I will explain the practical method how to create a variables, how to assign the variables, how to like single variable, multiple everything we will discuss on the next video. I hope you are all like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.